People ask me, why bother lucid dreaming? And I know when they ask me that, they've never had a lucid dream. Because those of you who have had even 1 or 2 lucid dreams know how incredible it really is. When we're consciously aware in the lucid dream state, we have access to a hidden reservoir of knowledge. As you develop this relationship with this inner awareness, you begin to realize how powerful that really is and what a positive, dramatic effect it can make on your life as well as the life of others.